Today I will show you what is the value of root 3 a square, and root 5 a square. What is the basically? To you calculate this. First, we know root means the half and square means 1 plus 1. Root 3 means half. Root means half. This is the square term. First, so we can write half into 2. So half into, this is the 1, 3, 1. So you can write this is the value of 3. Similarly, second way, 3 half is 2, but here half plus another half. How to get this? You know 3 root square means we can write 3 root square into 3 root square. So we can write this. So 3 half and half 1. So we can write 3 and this 3. 2 away we get this. So similar way we find out the root 5 square. Same, root 5 square means root 5 into root 5. So we can write half to half. Half and half is 1. So this is the 5. This way we calculate. So thank you watching the video and subscribe now for more video.